Have you ever thought that the word debt could be synonymous with opportunity? Yes, that's right. Contrary to what many believe, debt can be a powerful tool for building wealth, if used intelligently. In this video, you'll discover 15 practical and proven strategies to turn debt into an ally for your financial growth. Whether it's for investing, entrepreneurship, or multiply your assets, these tips will open your mind to a new world of possibilities. Ready to change your relationship with money? Let's get started. Before we dive into the 15 strategies, it's important to understand that debt only works in your favor when you have a clear plan and discipline. This isn't about spending recklessly, but about using money strategically. Now, let's get to the tips. The first strategy is using financing to buy real estate. Imagine purchasing an apartment with just a 20% down payment and renting it out for an amount that covers installments and still generates profit. That's passive income working for you. The second tip is investing in yourself. Taking out a loan for a course or specialization might seem like an expense, but as an investment in your future. A degree or certification can increase your salary and open doors to better opportunities. Third strategy, leverage in the financial market. Buying stocks or funds on margin can amplify your gains, but it requires caution. Use this tool only if you understand the risks and have a clear exit plan. Fourth tip, use loans to start or expand a business. If you have a solid idea or a venture that needs capital to grow, credit can be the push you need to reach new heights. Fifth strategy, invest in appreciating assets like art, classic cars, or precious metals. These items can become true gems in your portfolio, generating significant returns over time. Sixth strategy, refinance high-interest debt. If you're paying high interest on credit cards or personal loans, look for options with lower rates, such as payroll loans or secured loans. This can reduce your costs and free up money for investments. Seventh tip, buy land or lots in areas with growth potential. As cities expand, previously undervalued regions can become true treasures. And the best part? You can finance the purchase and pay it off with the land's appreciation. Eighth strategy, use credit to renovate properties. With a well-planned investment, you can increase property sale or rental value. Imagine buying an old property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. Ninth tip, take advantage of low-interest credit lines, such as payroll loans or home equity loans. These options allow you to invest in profitable projects without straining your budget. 10th strategy, buy stocks on margin. This technique can amplify your gains in the financial market, but it requires discipline and knowledge. Use only a small portion of your capital and have a contingency plan to avoid losses. 11th strategy, invest in franchises. With a proven business model, franchises offer an excellent risk-return ratio. Use loans to acquire a well-established franchise and start generating income quickly. 12th tip, use debt for asset protection. Strategies like creating holdings or using secured loans can help shield your assets from potential financial or legal issues. 13th strategy, buy vehicles for fleets or rentals. With financing, you can build a fleet of cars or vans and rent them out to companies or ride-sharing apps, creating a consistent monthly income. 14th tip, invest in technology or innovation. Innovative projects like startups or tech solutions have enormous return potential. Use credit to enter this market and seize future opportunities. 15th and final strategy, use debt to diversify your investments. Allocating resources across different asset classes, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds, reduces risks and increases your chances of consistent gains. Remember, debt is only beneficial when you have a solid plan and understand the risks. Avoid excess, make precise calculations, and always have an emergency fund. The key is to use money wisely, never impulsively. Before taking on any debt, assess your ability to repay, research the best interest rates, and have a clear goal. Poorly managed debt can snowball, but with discipline and strategy, it can be the springboard to financial success you desire. So, what did you think of these 15 strategies? Now you know that debt can be a powerful tool to increase your wealth. If used wisely, choose the strategies that best fit your profile and start putting them into practice today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Leave a comment below telling us which strategy you'll try first. The financial future you want is within your reach. Just take the first step. See you in the next video. A big thank you and see you next time. Remember, the financial future you desire is in your hands. Let's do this together.